So I'm hitting the make it go forward button.
You got the parking brake released?
What kind of magic was that? What the heck just happened? Did I not hit?
Just the proper sequence.
Did I not hit square first? Get off this thing! I got stuff to do. I gotta make a guy some money. God. I didn't know you had to put in a cheat code to make it go forward. Should know by now. Know by now.
So all we gotta do before we take off is just scoop up this trenching bucket with the loader bucket, and that's fine. Just get right underneath it, and well, you know, it's probably too far back in this scrap metal pile. We'll just drag it out real quick. Just drag it out. Just gonna take it, drag it right out. There you go. There you got it. Nice job. I guess we'll get this in too, I suppose. I suppose we will. Can confirm. All right, we'll just get underneath it there, and we got it. We don't got it. We don't have it. That, well, it's too far in there still. So we'll just pull it out this way. You know, this one time on YouTube I saw where you could just flip it in the bucket. Just flip it in the bucket. Nope, not on this YouTube channel, that's for sure. We'll just drag it out a little bit. We'll go back to plan A. Let's just get underneath it. Get underneath it and no bucket, but a little bit of dirt. That's worth something, right? All right, plan Z.
Well, that went well. That went really, really well. Just scoop that up, no problems whatsoever. I'm sure you saw that. All right, we got to drive to the dirt.
All right, so here's the whole story on getting that bucket in there. We need that at the job site. The easiest way is just to put it in the back of the dump truck, but the dump truck's not at the lot, and there's nothing to load it in the back of the dump truck at the lot. So I'm just going to take it with me to the dirt pile. We'll put it in a scoop of dirt. That way, whenever I dump it in the dump truck, it has a little bit of dirt to cushion it, and then we'll get going.
So Mike picked me up. We went and got the truck. Still got the bucket in the bucket. We're going to get a load of dirt and dump it in there. The only reason I'm putting a load of dirt with that bucket is so it's lands in the truck. I'll do a little flip action there for you. We'll put you here for the first few scoops, and then we'll move you around. We'll get some cool, exciting shots of dirt. We gotta figure out how to. There it is. Got it. Got it. Go right here. That was a good scoop. You know what I'm gonna do? I tell you what. All this trash in here is in my way. Okay, so let's get one scoop in real fast, and we're going to get this cleaned up over here real quick.
So we just about got this thing loaded up. As soon as we get this last little scoop on here, we will get in the truck, we'll head down the road. I'll give you a little bit of an exhaust clip, and we'll get this thing dumped. Well, there's a special guest appearance by Dirt Perfect, and we always love those surprise cameos. Hey, thanks for tagging along. Thanks for watching. That is it for this one. Stay tuned. Tomorrow, Sunday, we are going to do just a super short, quick video. I'm going to post the winner for the Broken Mirror Prize giveaway, so stay tuned to that. And as always, we'll catch you guys on the next one.